Darn, this thing's stupid heavy and awkward. The other way I made it was much better. I should say much easier. Trying to do it under 2 minutes, and this lock's going to be the one that gets me. Every time. I thought I had the darn thing figured out. Pass! But you gotta stay calm, because these can come open in just a few seconds. If my hat's bumping the camera, I'm sorry. And if I fall silent, that's what happens. I'm not looking at the time. I have no idea what the time is. Now I will open that darn brass lock since it's the last one, but I ain't gonna like it. Alright, calm down. I'll slowly roll on the tension. Just slowly roll on the tension. Just reset it. And just slowly roll on the tension. Are you kidding me? 10 seconds? Time! Sub 2! Woo! There we got it! Yay me! Yay me! I am so great. I am no. So we got sub 2 by 8 seconds. So the new time, let me write it down.